We have heard just a while back, we were lost but we were found through Jesus Christ our Lord. I was lost, but Jesus saved me. He gave His life on Calvary's tree. And though I fail Him, He still loves me. Through His grace, I've been set free. I know I don't deserve a mansion, 'cause I was born a sinful man. I know I don't deserve a mansion, but Jesus built a home for me in glory land.
It was our sins that He died for all mankind. He paid the price. Who are we that He should love us? Yes, we know He gave His life. No, I don't deserve a mansion, 'cause I was born a sinful man. No, I don't deserve a mansion, but Jesus built a home for me in glory land. No, I don't deserve a mansion, 'cause I was born a sinful man. No, I don't deserve a mansion, but Jesus built a home for me in glory land. But Jesus